The 2025 Carado T448 Motorhome redefines adventure with its perfect mix of practicality, comfort, and innovation. Built for explorers who demand both freedom and style, this motorhome is your ultimate companion for unforgettable journeys. Under the hood, the Carado T448 is powered by a 2.3-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 140 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring efficient and reliable performance on highways, winding mountain roads, and even rougher terrains. With its lightweight construction and aerodynamic design, the T448 offers excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for long road trips. A 90-liter fuel tank provides ample range, keeping you on the road longer with fewer stops. Equipped with a robust chassis and enhanced suspension, this motorhome delivers a stable and comfortable ride, even on uneven paths. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious, thoughtfully designed interior. The Carado T448 features a bright, modern living area with a panoramic skylight that floods the space with natural light. The lounge is equipped with premium upholstery and swiveling captain's chairs, creating the perfect space to relax after a long day of exploring. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, boasting a 3-burner gas stove, a 142-liter refrigerator, and a sleek sink with a high-pressure faucet. There's even ample storage for all your cooking essentials. The cleverly designed bathroom offers a separate shower, a cassette toilet, and a high-quality vanity, complete with a modern water filtration system for clean, drinkable water. The T448 is packed with smart features to make your travels more convenient. A state-of-the-art touchscreen control panel lets you manage lighting, temperature, and tank levels with ease. The onboard 100 amp-hour lithium battery, paired with roof-mounted solar panels, ensures energy independence, while a built-in Truma Combi 6E heating system keeps you warm during cooler nights. Starting at just $68,000, the 2025 Carado T448 offers incredible value for its class-leading features and design. Looking for upgrades? You can customize your motorhome with options like an additional solar power system, satellite internet, or an exterior bike rack. Fully loaded, the T448 can reach up to $82,000, still offering remarkable bang for your buck. The 2025 Carado T448 is more than just a motorhome. It's your ticket to freedom, comfort, and adventure. With its unbeatable mix of performance, luxury, and versatility, this motorhome is ready to turn your dream journeys into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Start your adventure today with the Carado T448.